Your ear can be damaged by loud noises. Loud noises are called noise pollution. Noises are measured in decibels. A sound more than 90 decibels can damage your ears. A whisper is 15 decibels. A friend talking is less than 60. A baby screaming is less than 90. A rock concert is more than 120. Earplugs protect your ears in noisy places. Cover your ears when you hear a loud noise. Protect your ears.